Hello and welcome to our training session on how to acquire and process ACE scans using our software. In this video, we aim to go through on how to acquire ACE scan with our software, how to calculate IOL power using the IOL calculator, and some unique features like corneal compression lockout and the three-star measurement grading mechanism. Let's get started. Launch the Scanmate software by double-clicking on the Scanmate icon located on your computer desktop. The Scanmate software defaults to the patient data information screen. From this screen, you can either input a new patient or search for existing patients. To enter a new patient, click on the New Patient icon and fill in the fields: last name, first name, identification number, date of birth, gender, and any desired comments. After verifying that all patient information is correct, click the Save icon. Observe that the new patient has been added to your patient list. In case you observe that there's information that needs to be corrected, you can go ahead and make the necessary changes and click on the Save icon. Once you've selected the desired patient, click on the A-Scan icon to open the A-Scan screen. From this screen, use the drop-down menus to select the operator performing the acquisition, lens type and vitreous type. Select different modalities for the desired acquisition method, either contact or immersion, and auto mode or manual mode. Adjust the corneal compression sensitivity by sliding the compression sensitivity slider between 0 and 100. This greatly depends on the operator's technique and level of expertise. We recommend starting at 50. Click the New Scan button, then the Start Scan button. Place the probe on the patient's cornea and applanate with the probe perpendicular to the patient's visual axis until you hear two distinctive high-pitched beeps. Once you hear the two distinctive high beeps and are satisfied with the readings, click on the Save Measurement icon. Click on the Open File icon and you'll notice that the saved measurements will appear in the list on the left. Once the readings are required, to use the IOL calculator to determine what IOL power should be used to minimize post-operative refractive error, click on the IOL icon at the top, which can be found next to the A-Scan icon. Select the eye and enter the required information. From the source, select whether you prefer to manually enter the information or have the software use the average or a single frame reading that was acquired. Enter the K1, K2, and the desired post-op refraction. Boxes marked in red are mandatory. In the area below, select the IOL and the formula you would prefer to use, and the software will calculate and deliver the required results. After saving the A-Scan measurements and calculating the IOL power using the IOL calculator, you can create a report by clicking on the Reports tab or the Reports section on the toolbar. Select a desired A-Scan report from the different options. After choosing the desired report, it will be generated and can be saved to the patient's file or be printed out. The report can be printed or exported as PDF at your desired location. Now, let's talk about some of the unique features of our A-Scan and the Scanmate software, like the corneal compression lockout and three-star grading mechanism. Unique to our system is the corneal compression lockout feature for use during contact measurements. When enabled, compression lockout will stop the system from measuring waveforms which show indicators of corneal compression. Let's see this feature in real time. The compression sensitivity level is adjustable to aid in obtaining contact measurements with minimum compression. You can select how sensitive you would prefer the software to be from 0 to 100. 0 being the lowest and 100 being the highest. When the probe is placed on the cornea and the software algorithm determines the cornea may be compressed, the green box next to the compression would turn red and audible tones are provided to guide the user in adjusting contact pressure and aid in alleviating the flattening of the cornea. This aids the user in ensuring that the cornea isn't compressed while taking a measurement, a feature unique to DGH. Our unique grading algorithm automatically ranks the probe's alignment along the axes of measurement. Alignment ranking is immediate, with each qualified measurement assigned a 1-star, 2-star or 3-star rank, 3 stars representing best alignment. Aided by the audible feedback, the user can adjust the probe's contact angle during a procedure, correcting misalignments and thereby optimizing measurement. To add your preferred IOLs to the database, click on the Preferences selection. To add your preferred IOLs to the database, click on the Preferences section on the toolbar on the top left of the software. Enter the Doctor section, select the doctor, and click on IOL configurations. Click on New to enter a new IOL or select a previously added one to edit. Enter the relevant details and click on Apply. You can select up to 3 preferred combinations of IOL and the formula you prefer to calculate IOL power to be presented on the PDF report. To save readings automatically after they're required, enter the Preferences menu. Click on the A-Scan page and select the Autosave Measurement and Autosave Video boxes. Thank you for watching this training video using the Scanmate software. If you have any questions, please refer to the user manual or contact our support team.